Welcome to Getembe Electricals. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a bedroom light, a modern one that can be reduced. The light can be reduced manually and increased manually. So these are the components. So it comes like this in pieces. These are the pieces. So you hook this way. You hook every piece from top, and then you hook this other part, you hook here at the bottom, all of them like that. I was told to show people how to hook this. It might seem simple, but it's very difficult if you don't know how to connect it. Then I show you the end result. You hook this at the top and at the bottom like that. As we go, I want to show you how beautiful it will be. Trying to go a little bit faster. So this first part you are finished. It will look this way when you finish. So you have other pieces here. So let's start with this piece. Connect it like that. Sorry. So go like that. I'm taking this step by step so that you understand how this works. They are different. You must know which one goes where. Since I've installed a lot of them, I know which one goes where. So that's the first part, this top part. So now you come to the second part. You come here. Like that. When you put it like that, it will just hook. It will just lock, I mean. Let's try to hurry up. Then so that's the second part. Now we go to the last, not the last, but the second last. So you come down here. Right. This is how modern lights work. So after finishing this point, now you come to this which is at the middle, since you can't go in there without finishing this part. So you have another part here which you will connect like that. With hooks. Like that. For a person who doesn't know how to connect this, it can take him up to 2 hours or 3 hours to mount or to connect these pieces. One wrong mistake, you start again. One wrong mistake, you start again. You will dismantle all of it, so you have to be careful what goes where. As you can see, you have now finished. So this is our light, and then this is what you use to hang. So this will come up here and lock. It has a lock here. You come up here and lock. So you just twist a little bit. It's indicated here. The only thing that is indicated is in this light is where this will lock. So this is how it will hang. So this part will go to the ceiling, this part. So if now when you want it to be a ball, you just pull this string here and it becomes a ball. When you don't want so much light, this is a bedroom. When you want a lot of light, you just pull this string like that. That is a modern light. Like and subscribe for you to watch another videos.